All right, good morning everybody. Time for another unbagging of a Lifetime Kayak. We're going to get started here. Pull out my handy little teeny knife. Let's do a walk around real quick and let's look at some things that I'm a little bit leery of. This little screw in here, I don't know if that's going to pop out or not. That's something I'm a little bit worried about. I mean, if it does pop out, I could JB weld it in or something, and this is the same methodology here. We shall see on that. I see, got it about as tight as it'll go. And again, the little tiny drain port. Now, I have the Tahoma, and when I first saw the drain port on the Tahoma, I thought it was way too small. However, it has not shown to be a problem because there's no openings in the body. You don't get leaves and stuff in there, so the water actually does just come right straight out. So on that, it's looks like it's going to be pretty decent. I think that this is going to be another winner from Lifetime. We'll see how it tracks. Of course, we are not worried about tracking so terribly much because we're not doing the bay or the Gulf or anything like that. We're just tooling around in lakes and doing some mild creeks and rivers. All right, so I'll see you on the water. We can turn this thing around. Half turn. Full turn. So it's 6 paddles to a full turn. Man, that's pretty crazy. Not even as close as, not anywhere close to as fast as a car. I'm 200 pounds. I feel comfortable. I feel safe. It is definitely not tippy at all. Yeah, you're not going to build any speed in this thing, for sure. For sure. For portability, I give it a 10, man, because you can carry it all by yourself. For speed, it's a 5. All right, my final thoughts on the Daylite Kayak from Lifetime. I like that it is definitely a sit on top. It does not have any ports in it to where you can put stuff, but that's okay. It's got places to hold your drink, and in the back it has a place where you can definitely store your dry bag for the day. It's a daytime kayak. It's just a, you know, like a little day trip kayak. It's not a fishing kayak. It's not a sit inside where you're going to throw a bunch of camping gear or anything. It's recreational. It's just a fun little kayak. It is great for people up to 200 pounds, and I don't know, the weight limit's 250, but I always, when I look at a kayak, if it's rated for 250, I take off 10%. So if it's 250, it's going to be 10% of that's 25, so I just take it and make it 225. That's the comfort range, you know. You're not going to be comfortable on that if you're right at 250. So maneuverability, the thing is crazy maneuverable. It is absolutely crazy maneuverable. It is extremely easy to fit into your car. It's 8 foot long, so it fits into my Honda Fit. Okay, and I can close the gate and everything. So speed it's not speed. You know, there's no speed there. And you do have to work harder. It's a harder working kayak. You have to put a little more effort to get going, to keep up with everybody else. But more than likely, everybody is tooling at the, you know, normal rate of enjoying the environment, enjoying what's going on. So I just don't think it's going to be a problem. I like the kayak. It is comfortable. It is a nice feel. It's super stable. As far as speed, I rate it 5 out of 10, but stability 10 out of 10, and definitely portability is 10 out of 10. And you can carry it by yourself because it's only 40 pounds, and it has a handle in the center where you can grab a hold of it in the center, and you can carry the kayak down the hill. That's it. That's my final thoughts, and we'll see you later.